Moen offers a distinctive line of bath accessories, such as towel rings, robe hooks, towel bars, and paper holders to help you create a perfectly coordinated bath. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a multi-post bath accessory into drywall using anchors, as opposed to mounting it to studs in the wall. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, level, hammer, tape measure, pencil, and safety glasses. Step 2. Remove the mounting brackets from the accessory posts. Your bath accessory will have one of two mounting bracket designs. They look slightly different, but are installed in the same way. The mounting bracket is secured to the accessory post with a set screw. To remove the bracket, simply loosen the set screw with the Allen wrench provided in your hardware kit. Step 3. Determine placement. Decide where you'd like to mount the accessory on the wall. Then, tape one side of the mounting template to the proper area. Use a level to ensure the template is even, and tape the other side to the wall. Step 4. Mount the brackets to the wall. In your hardware kit, you'll find one of 3 anchor styles. Each anchor requires a different drill bit size. Be sure to use the drill bit size that corresponds with the anchor style in your hardware kit. In this video, we'll be installing the plastic toggle anchor, which requires a 5/16 drill bit. Drill 2 opposing holes for each mounting bracket. If your bracket has 4 holes, drill the 2 horizontal holes. This will give you more flexibility when mounting the accessory. Remove the mounting template from the wall. Fold the ends of each anchor together and insert them into the holes. Lightly tap the anchors with a hammer until flush with the wall. Then, insert the red plastic pin into each anchor to activate. Position each mounting bracket over the holes with the up symbol facing up and thread the screws until tight. Be sure to not over-tighten. The last step is attaching the accessory posts to the mounting brackets. Assemble the product and place the accessory posts on the mounting brackets with the set screws facing down. Using the provided Allen wrench, tighten the set screws to secure the posts in place. Congratulations, your job is finished. Installing a multi-post bath accessory is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. For more information about Moen and our products, call Moen Consumer Services.